It's great to be young, determined, social and career focused. If this is you, it's likely you're also looking to keep things on track. And you can do it too, by getting a head start on your financial future to help achieve all the things you're dreaming about. When you've got fewer financial commitments, you're in a great position to build a more secure future. Financial advice is within everyone's reach and is a big stepping stone to achieving your goals. The earlier you start, the better off you'll be. Go beyond the day-to-day mindset. Take advantage of financial advice now and you'll be that much closer to having the freedom to travel, buy a car or even save for your first home. A financial advisor will teach you about the benefits of budgeting and saving, investing cleverly and making extra contributions to your super. It's about giving you control and helping you make smart financial choices to ensure that your financial future is more than just a little brighter. And then there are things you might not have thought about. Reducing tax, unnecessary admin and fees, and even ensuring you can pay your bills if you can't work. Lots to consider as life changes over time. Being young doesn't mean financial advice isn't for you. In fact, it's the perfect time to kick things off. Don't miss out on the opportunities that could come your way by taking control of your financial future now. Contact us today to discuss how we can help you start shaping your financial future.